Are you looking as gymnastics gains popularity among children and teens? The demand for at-home training equipment, especially gymnastics bars, has surged. Parents and coaches alike seek safe, sturdy, and adjustable bars to help young athletes hone their skills. This guide evaluates the best gymnastics bars based on critical factors like build quality, adjustability, stability. List foldable gymnastic bar, 5-foot, 6-foot, horizontal bars, adjustable kids training bar for teens, adults ages 3 to 20. This foldable gymnastic bar is the top-tier choice for families seeking a durable and versatile training bar for a wide age range. With an adjustable height and base length, 5-foot or 6-foot, it caters to kids as young as 3 and even young adults up to 20. Built with sturdy steel construction, the bar ensures a high weight capacity and long-term use. Its foldable design makes storage simple, ideal for tight spaces. Rubber foot grips enhance safety by preventing slips. Whether your child is just beginning or training for competitive routines, this Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar for kids ages 3 to 15. Steady steel construction, anti-slip designed with safety and simplicity in mind. The Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar is a standout for younger kids aged 3 to 15. Featuring a heavy-duty steel frame and non-slip rubber feet, this bar offers excellent balance and floor grip during practice. Its sleek design is both appealing and compact, making it suitable for smaller homes. Height adjustability ensures that the bar grows with your child, and its tool-free locking mechanism simplifies the setup. Parents will love how stable it feels, even with energetic routines. List number: gymnastic bar for kid and teenage ages 3 to 25. 5 feet, 6 feet base and height. Kipped bar, horizontal bar. This bar is engineered for versatility and long-term use. Designed for ages 3 to 25, it features dual size options, 5 feet and 6 feet for both height and base width, offering maximum customization. The heavy-duty triangular base enhances stability, especially for kipping and swing routines. Whether your child is learning the basics or performing complex flips, this gymnastics bar supports their growth. It also boasts a sleek powder-coated finish for better grip and durability. Its professional-level feel makes it one of the best gymnastics bars for intermediate to advanced gymnasts. List number: Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar for kids ages 3 to 15. Steady steel construction, anti-slip, duplicate product. Although this is a repeat listing of the second item, it deserves another mention for its consistent performance and popularity. The Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar combines affordability with high safety standards, making it a favorite among parents. Its compact frame doesn't compromise on sturdiness, and the anti-slip feet prevent floor damage while maintaining stability. If you're buying for a young beginner and want a safe, well-reviewed option, this model delivers both safety and value. List number: Tepemku Expandable Gymnastics Bars, Adjustable Height Gymnastic Horizontal Bars. The Tepemku Expandable Gymnastics Bar is a reliable and adaptable bar designed for long-term home training. With adjustable height settings and a heavy-duty steel frame, it accommodates kids at various skill levels. Its standout feature is the expandable base, which provides added stability during more intense practice sessions. Anti-skid rubber padding ensures a safe grip on any floor type. It's also easy to assemble and disassemble, making it a convenient option for families on the go or with limited space.